Welcome to the world of play. Thanks for choosing PLAYFIT SW75. Watch this video to learn about setting up and function overview of PLAYFIT SW75. Charging. Place the watch on the charger seat as shown on the screen. Make sure you align the metal charging prongs to the back of your smartwatch. Your SW75 smartwatch is now ready to switch on. Long press the right key to start. Please charge to activate PLAYFIT SW75 when it is started for the first time. Your smartwatch will be fully charged in 2 hours and will last up to 7 days, and it has 45 days standby time. Wearing. Wear the wristband one finger away from the wrist bone and adjust the tightness of the wristband to a comfortable position. Wearing too loosely may affect the accuracy of heart rate data. Pairing. PLAYFIT SW75 is Android and iOS compatible. To pair your SW75, download and install the PLAYFIT app on your smartphone. Now turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Find the binding request on the home page of the app. Tap on Confirm Bind Device to complete binding. Now your smartwatch is connected and ready for use. Start with setting up your profile. Never pair the watch directly with the Bluetooth in your mobile phone settings. Key functions. Long press the right key to start. Long press the left key to enter the sports mode quickly. Short press the right key to return to previous interface. Watch dial switch. Replacing the dial interface will appear after long pressing the dial. Swipe up to find interface of your liking. Tap to select main interface operation. Swipe the screen to enter different interfaces such as swipe right for status bar, swipe left for function list interface, swipe up for data bar, swipe down for notice bar. Dial data view. Default dial. Tap on the screen to switch different data like step number, distance and calorie count. Music control. Find music control in general settings. Enable music control and choose player. Control music play on your mobile phone. Setting up alarm. Find alarm in alert settings. You need to add an alarm clock on the mobile app. Set the alarm timings and enable. To turn off an alarm, swipe left the alarm. It will ask for confirmation. Tracking women's health. Find menstrual settings in alert settings. Recording menstrual changes, tracking individual menstrual cycle and predicting ovulation. Turn on notifications. Enable allow notifications in general settings in the app. Check your required notifications for call, messages, WhatsApp, social media, etc. Find My Phone. Enable Find My Phone in general settings. DND feature. Enable DND mode in general settings. Set start and end time. Set fitness targets and sedentary alerts. Enable inactivity alert in alert settings. For more information and support, visit us at www.worldofplay.in. Customer care at cc@worldofplay.in. Call us at 8588 74744.